Hi, welcome to our quick demo. I'll spend the next few minutes with you explaining the VPAS solution and how it ultimately works and where it's a little bit different than other offerings that the Pexip solution has today. Just to start off the conversation, what I will be demonstrating here is the VPAS demo front end or sample app front end. We will be publishing code that you can use to take advantage of this, but the UX itself is ultimately under the control of the development organization. So anything and everything, the look and the feel, the branding, the capability, all of that kind of stuff can be tweaked and customized to your specific application and is entirely under your control. What you see here is the welcome screen. I've been invited to a meeting with a couple of my colleagues, and we'll walk through that workflow here in a second. But what you see here is a very simple front end. Inside this front end, I can choose to mute and unmute my microphone. I can choose to mute and unmute my camera. I can choose whatever specific camera I want to use, as well as whatever specific microphone that I want to use within this system as well. This is entirely, again, customizable and up to the ultimate developer on how they want to use it. I'll now join the meeting, and you will see that my microphone is automatically muted. I will go ahead and unmute my microphone, and I've joined into a meeting here with a couple of colleagues that I have. Now, one of the unique things about the VPAS capability is that each individual video stream that I'm receiving on the client side is completely customizable. So if I want to zoom into Jennifer, I can simply click on Jennifer's video, and I will zoom directly into her. I can then click on that video again and take it back to the previous view. I can do the same with James, zooming in, zooming out. I can also drag and rearrange the video windows that we have directly within this view as well. Now, my colleague James will join and bring up some content that he's going to be presenting. For this specific use case, imagine we're in a medical setting and James is bringing up an x-ray of my left hand because we want to sit here and we want to diagnose some medical issues that I've been having. So James has brought up the x-ray. You can now see that the x-ray has appeared on the bottom of my screen, but all that same capability applies. I can click to zoom into the x-ray. Maybe we want to look at one specific feature, one specific capability within the x-ray. Maybe I want to rearrange the windows like I've done here. I can click and drag and move all of these video windows around. Now, another unique capability inside of the front end of the VPAS solution is the ability for multiple participants to present at the exact same time. This is very different than a lot of other video solutions that we have in the marketplace. So now Jen will bring up an MRI of that same left hand. And this gives us the ability to look at two specific video windows side by side within the solution. So now you can see I have the x-ray on the left-hand side of my screen and the MRI on the right-hand side of my screen. I can, again, drag and move things around. I can zoom in and zoom out and completely rearrange the video windows, ultimately the way that I want to see it. This, within this sample app, is entirely under the user's control. Again, as we discussed earlier, a developer can take complete control of this capability the way that they would ultimately want to take control and force any specific layout or any specific video image that they want to force as well. This is entirely within their control. That concludes our brief demo. Thank you both for joining, and have a great day.